Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you all the working codes for March 2026 in Heartopia game. Okay, first of all guys, if you want to redeem a code, you need to go to the setting, open up your watch menu and select settings and select redeem code. And then I'm going to show you the latest code. You need to write N5Q 7 9 L2 A4. Okay, click on OK, and then you're going to click on redeem. Okay, and after that we're going to check our mailbox to see the rewards. Okay, from redeeming the code I got wishing stars, and then mermaid fish attractor, and also the fertilizer. And then click on claim. And for the other codes guys, I'll put it on the YouTube description so you can check it there. For March 2026, there will be more than 10 codes, and it will be valid until 31 of March 2026. Okay guys, and that's all about the working codes for March 2026 in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!